Hey everyone. You know the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has been making waves with leaks and rumors, right? Well, today we've got a treat, a hands-on video that's flipping the script on what we know about this flagship. Let's dive in and unravel the design revolution. So what's the word, people? Pictures are cool, but a video, that's a whole different ballgame. We got our hands on this not-so-polished, kinda shaky 15-second clip featuring the yet-to-be-official Galaxy S24 Ultra. Leaks spilled some tea, but this video? It's like the plot twist we didn't see coming. Let's get real though. Among all the leaked pictures, this video steals the show. Why? Because it spills the beans on something pictures can't. No more fancy screen curves. Samsung's ditching the curves and rocking flat screens for the whole Galaxy crew. It's a vibe, and trust me, you'll feel it. Now let's break down the video. We're giving the flat and sharp frame, the iconic hole punch, and the overall swagger of the Galaxy S24 Ultra a serious style check. But hold up, where's the titanium magic and the back panel? Still a mystery, keeping us on the edge of our seats. But wait, there's more. Just a week before the big reveal, there's some buzz about the screen touch responsiveness. Rumor has it that all three devices, Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra, are getting a 10% boost in touch response speed. Smooth and fast, that's the name of the game. It could even make the S Pen experience on the Galaxy S24 Ultra even better. And did I mention the brightest Super AMOLED LED screens to date with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits? Sunlight legibility on another level. In the ever-evolving world of smartphone leaks, this hands-on video offers a unique perspective on the Galaxy S24 Ultra's design. What are your thoughts on Samsung's shift to flat screens? Share your opinions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time,